Any ideas?
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Joel from Easy Engineering, and welcome back to another video. So today we're diving in, and I'm going to be talking about how to make this kind of vocal rise effect that you've just heard. If I play it solo.
Any ideas?
It's fairly simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new track, drag our sample that we want to modulate down to a new channel. And it's actually a simple trick using Ableton Simple Delay. So what you have to do is open up a Simple Delay, right click on it, and you see where it says fade, you change it to where it says repitch, bring up the dry and wet, bring up the feedback all the way to 100%, link them up, switch it to time rather than sync, bring it up to 300 milliseconds, open up automation bar, and just automate the milliseconds from 300 all the way down to 1. And that's pretty much it. So this is what it sounds like now.
Any ideas?
Boom. There you go. Now all that's left to do is re-record it down to a new channel. Like that. Like so.
Any ideas?
And then you can, basically what I've done is I put a fade on it, and I had another simple delay just kind of modulating the tail of this sample just to give a little bit more of a delay, just so these two sounds can blend together. And there you have it.
Any ideas?
Wicked, sounds amazing. I hope you found this little tip useful, because Ableton's Simple Delay can be really fun to use. You can have a mess around with the timings and, you know, create all these different kind of automations just to kind of get a weird pitch type effect on whatever sample you're trying to delay. Really cool, really useful. You can have a lot of fun with it. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy using this tip in your music. So thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like, comment down below if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more of these videos, then please smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.